Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a custom ringtone on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In these settings we want to find and go to sound and vibration. And finally over here we need to choose ringtone. Over here at the bottom choose my account and then go to ringtones. Now in order to add your own ringtone you need to press this plus button in the bottom right corner. And then you need to select the audio file from your device. In my case, I will probably find it in audio files. Of course, you need to download the ringtone from the internet and upload it to your device, or use any other method that allows you to store the audio file on your device. So of course we want to allow permissions, and now over here I can find my ringtone that I downloaded from the internet. So I can choose it like so and then tap OK over here at the bottom. And now we need to find your ringtone. In my case it is located over here. This is the ringtone, and I can press apply on the right side next to my ringtone that I just uploaded, and then set it as ringtone. And there we go. Now I have set my custom ringtone. If you want to, you can also find many different ringtones over here in the home section. Make sure that at the top you have ringtone selected. And then here you have different categories that you can choose from. Let's say something energetic. And then here we can find many different ringtones that we can use. We can also tap on the sound in order to hear the preview. And if you want to use any of these ringtones, then you want to tap on the bell on the right side and then press OK. You will download the ringtone and it should be applied successfully. Just to make sure, you can go back to my account, choose ringtones, and in my ringtones section you should be able to find the ringtone that you just downloaded. If you have this green phone icon under the title of the ringtone, then it means that this sound is being used as a ringtone. If it's not, then you can press apply on the right side. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.